Explore the latest summer exhibition, featuring the talented mixed media artist J Sallion at Myddelton House Gardens in Bulls Cross, Enfield. Join us from August 4th to August 7th, 2024, between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily for a delightful immersion in creativity. Admission is complimentary. Prepare to witness live demonstrations, engage in workshops, and admire available artworks. Convenient parking is available at a nominal fee of £2.50, providing access to the entire picturesque garden setting. Do not miss this remarkable artistic event. For further information, kindly visit www.darcyjsallion.com.